Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best feature phones in 2024. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best feature phones. The 5th product on our list is Nokia 6300 4G. If you're on a tight budget and want a simple phone at a really low price, the Nokia 6300 is just what you're seeking. This is a 4G LTE phone that provides the most basic smartphone functions, like the ability to run Google Maps for navigation, access social media accounts, and stream YouTube videos. It's primarily designed for calls and texts via the 12-button keypad or with dictation using Google Assistant. The Nokia 6300 comes unlocked, so it can be activated with any provider. And if you subscribe to a cellular plan that includes data, the phone can generate a personal Wi-Fi hotspot for your other compatible devices. For international travel, the phone comes with WhatsApp pre-installed, which makes calling and messaging with people anywhere in the world simple and secure. Plus, with access to OK Google, you can get questions answered or compose text messages using your voice. Since this phone uses older technology, it relies on a single micro USB port for charging, but the charging cable is included with the phone. The phone's small but full-color display shows just enough information to make it useful, without being confusing to operate. Up next in 4th place is the Nokia 2780 Flip. This no-frills feature phone allows you to take a step back in time, when it was easy to make and receive calls without having to learn how to complex features. The Nokia 2780 Flip also offers a basic phone design that's affordable. In the United States, the phone can be activated with AT&T, Verizon, T-Mobile, Boost, Cricket, Metro, Net10, TracFone, and others, as long as the service has a compatible 4G LTE cellular network. When folded, the phone's small outer display showcases caller ID information for incoming calls. The handset features large buttons and hearing aid compatibility. It also has limited ability to access the internet and run certain apps, like Google Maps and YouTube. The battery offers up to 7 hours of talk time, or up to 18 days of standby time between charges. If you need more storage, it can be added anytime using an optional memory card. The 3rd product on our list is the Jitterbug Flip 2. Designed for older users, the Jitterbug Flip 2 can handle calls and texts in an inexpensive package accompanied by a low-cost monthly service plan. The Jitterbug Flip 2 has a classic flip design. It's compact and easily fits in a pocket. However, this model has extra-large buttons for easy dialing and navigation. There's also a one-touch emergency button someone can press if they ever need assistance. That service is available 24/7. The phone is compatible with the Alexa digital assistant, so the user can initiate calls or compose text messages using their voice. The rechargeable battery is long-lasting, and nationwide service is provided with no long-term contract. 3 plan options are available, priced at $20, $40, or $50 per month. Only the more expensive plans offer 24/7 access to trained urgent response agents and an on-call nurse. Actually operating the phone is a straightforward process, especially when it comes to dialing phone numbers that are pre-saved. And the phone is compatible with hearing aids that support Bluetooth connectivity with a phone. The 2nd product on our list is the Bark phone. The Bark phone is a low-end smartphone with a 6.6-inch LCD touchscreen display, and it's designed specifically with kids in mind. It comes with a vast selection of parental controls and content filters, so a parent can determine who a child can communicate with, when they can use the phone, and what they can do with it. Yes, the phone can offer your child internet and social media access, but this can be blocked, filtered to eliminate inappropriate content, and remotely monitored. In fact, the phone automatically scans all texts, emails, social media content, and apps. It will block inappropriate content based on your child's age and what you, as the parent, want. The phone also includes detailed GPS tracking and geofencing, so you can track your child's location in real time or automatically be alerted when they come or go from a specific location, such as home, school, or a friend's house. It's also possible for a parent to remotely set alarms and reminders for their child. Several phone plans are available, starting at $39 per month, with no contract required. You can purchase the phone outright for $199 on Amazon, and then pay for month-to-month service through Bark. Or from Bark's website, subscribe to a service plan with unlimited talk and text, and get the phone for free. For advanced monitoring tools and extra features, the monthly service plan costs $49. Whichever plan you choose, what you're paying a premium for is the advanced parental controls, content filters, tracking, and monitoring, features not offered by most other phones. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Punkt MP02. When it comes to feature phones, it doesn't get more basic than the Punkt MP02. This is an unlocked phone that'll work with any carrier, but it's designed mainly for calls and texts. That's it. The phone offers a minimalist design, a streamlined menu system, plus security and privacy tools. This phone only provides 4G LTE service, which, for tasks that don't involve the web or using apps, is plenty. It also keeps the cost of your monthly service extra affordable. Unlike so many low-cost phones, this one is well-made and durable. Beyond the numeric keypad buttons, the other buttons are clearly labeled with simple icons for scrolling up and down menus, accessing your phone book, or switching to the phone's text messaging function. While offering distraction-free and simple communication, this phone can be used with wired or wireless headphones or earbuds. And if you subscribe to a service plan that includes data, the phone can serve as a personal Wi-Fi hotspot for other devices, like a tablet. That's all for our list of the 5 best feature phones on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.